Hello and welcome to Cooking with Matab. If you're looking for a really delicious and simple meal, you have to try this potato cutlet. You're going to fall in love with its taste. There are a few important tips for making it, and if you follow them, you'll want to make it every day. To start, we need 3 large potatoes that have been thoroughly washed, 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley, which gives it an amazing aroma, 3 fresh eggs, and for seasoning, the main spices are finely ground garlic powder, vibrant red pepper, a pinch of salt, golden turmeric, and freshly cracked black pepper. Place the prepared potatoes in a pot of cold water and let them cook thoroughly until tender. Once they're cooked, take them out of the pot. Carefully peel them and then meticulously grate them using the very fine side of the grater, ensuring a consistent texture. After you have meticulously grated all of the fresh potatoes, you should then add the finely chopped fresh parsley along with the beaten eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and turmeric. The turmeric will make it more colorful. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add a pinch of red pepper, or if you like it spicy, add half a teaspoon. Also add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you want it to be more cohesive, you can optionally add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. This is up to your taste. Mix everything so all the flavors come together. Next, carefully pour some cooking oil into a pan and gently set the heat to a low temperature. Allow the oil to gradually heat up. The important point to remember here is that before you start frying the cutlets, keep a small bowl of water next to you. Each time, first wet your hands a little with water. Then shape the cutlet mixture into any form you like so it doesn't stick to your hands. After that, carefully fry both sides in the hot oil. The heat shouldn't be too high at all because your delicious cutlets will quickly burn and become inedible. Once both sides of the cutlets are fried, place them on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. It's that easy. You now have the most delicious cutlets. I hope you make them and enjoy eating them. Thank you for staying with my channel until the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you follow and stay with me.